Hi, Tom Terwilliger here with the Epic Men Mastermind. I want to share some things with you. As a mature and experienced entrepreneur, there are three things you need to know in order to be able to maintain the energy required to really create something epic in this second half. And when the second half I'm talking about is the second half of your life, the second half of your business, even your relationship. You know that if you've watched any football at all, particularly let's just say a Super Bowl, that the first half, you know what? It's important. There's no question about it. But it doesn't matter what happens in that first half. When you hit that locker room going into that second half, you got to get your mind right, especially if you haven't been giving 100% up to that point. If anything that could interrupt the pattern of success has gotten in your way up to that point, and sometimes it's unexplainable, other times you can identify what went wrong out on that field. What can we do better in the second half? The second half I'm talking about is coming back out onto that field and creating something epic. Coming back strong and finishing big. If you follow any of my teachings, works, or coaching, you know I put a lot of time and energy into my physiology. That's really the foundation of everything I do. But what most people don't know is I put that same amount of time and energy and focus into my business and into my relationship, even into my spiritual connections as well. And to maintain that balance and to have that massive epic second half, then you need to do the same thing. And there are three things you need to be able to maintain that energy. I'm going to talk about those over the next few videos or so, but right now let's talk about this first part. This first thing is so critical, especially if you're a business owner and an entrepreneur. And I call it entrepreneurial chemistry. Now, the common term is more entrepreneurial spirit. We've all heard that term, right? This is this sort of like ambiguous thing out there that allows us to produce ideas or connect with ideas out into the universe that then we put into practice or put into a business and start moving forward on. Or it's the things that allow us to become innovative or maintain our innovative capabilities when we're already a business. This is this sort of ambiguous entrepreneurial spirit. But you know what? It's really more about chemistry, more specifically biochemistry, your biochemistry. The biochemistry that I'm talking about, the entrepreneurial chemistry that I refer to, is the same kind of chemistry, the biochemical peptides, the hormones that most people release in anticipation of sex or a physical adventure or a challenge of some kind. You and I, as entrepreneurs and business owners, experience those same chemical reactions that surge into our body and gives us this feeling, this rush, this feeling of satisfaction. It's a love for business. It's a love for moving towards opportunities where most people only see the risk of failure. And of course, the risk of failure is part of the equation as well. Moving towards something that could happen, we want to have happen, but risk failure at the same time is what releases that chemistry. But here's the problem. See, as we mature, we start taking less and less high reward risks with our business, with our bodies. We hold back, we reserve energy, and as a result, we actually reduce our energy levels. You see, if that part of you, that entrepreneurial chemistry, that spirit part of you, has been pushed aside, you might say, as a result of some trepidation, maybe some uncertainty or fear regarding the future and regarding your business, and let's face it, we want to take fewer and fewer risks as we age because we have more to lose, right? Well, you know what? If that's what's happened to you along the way, and it happens to almost all entrepreneurs and business owners later on in life, before they hit that moment of second half, that opportunity, the time to hit the locker room and come out ready for the second half, it happens. And if it's happened to you, what's happened is your chemistry has shifted. It's changed. And your biochemistry, those hormones are no longer providing the energy you need as a leader, as an entrepreneur, and as a business owner.